And we're about to dive deep into a topic that can seriously boost your YouTube game affiliate marketing. We all know building a channel takes serious hustle, but monetizing, that's the next level. Now you've got great content, you're engaging with your audience, but how about adding another stream of income, just for existing? Affiliate marketing is where it's at. It's all about partnering with brands you already rock with, sharing some love for their products, and getting a cut when your viewers make a purchase. It's a win-win, guys. And the best part? There's an affiliate program out there for everyone, no matter your niche. In this video, we're breaking down 15 of the best affiliate programs tailor-made for YouTubers. We're talking big names, niche platforms, high commissions, the whole 9 yards. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's unlock some serious earning potential for your channel. First up, the OG of affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates. Looking for more specialized brands? ShareASale's got you covered. Ready to play in the big leagues? CJ Affiliate brings the heavy hitters. Chapter 4. Rakuten Marketing, where high payouts meet user-friendly tools. Rakuten Marketing offers a smooth interface, top-tier brands, and serious earning potential. Chapter 5. Impact Data-Driven Affiliate Marketing at its finest. Impact's all about data, giving you the insights to maximize your earnings. Chapter 6. ClickBank, your digital product powerhouse. For all things digital, ClickBank's your go-to for high commission payouts. Chapter 7. TubeBuddy. It's not just a tool, it's an affiliate goldmine for YouTubers. Chapter 8. I'll win your passport to a global network of brands and opportunities. Chapter 9. Bluehost, perfect for helping your audience build their online presence. Chapter 10. Shopify, fueling e-commerce dreams, one affiliate link at a time. Shopify, got an entrepreneurial audience? Shopify's affiliate program is key. Chapter 11. Fiverr, outsourcing made easy and profitable. Fiverr, connecting your viewers with freelancers? That's affiliate gold. Chapter 12. Teachable, empowering educators, one course at a time. Teachable. For the educators and mentors, Teachable's a perfect fit. Chapter 13. NordVPN, security and earnings? That's a winning combo. NordVPN, keep your viewers secure online while boosting your own security. Chapter 14. Skillshare, unlocking creativity and commissions. Skillshare, fuel your viewers' creativity and earn some cash along the way. Chapter 15. TubeBuddy, bonus round. Sharing the growth, sharing the success. One more time for TubeBuddy because helping others succeed feels good. Alright guys, there you have it. 15 killer affiliate programs ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level. Remember, the key is to choose programs that genuinely resonate with your content and your audience. Authenticity is key, just like with your videos. Now you're armed with the knowledge, you've got the tools, it's time to take action. Dive into these programs, find the perfect fit for your channel, and start seeing those earnings climb. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more game-changing tips for YouTubers. Keep creating, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Affiliate marketing can be a game changer for your YouTube channel. Choose the right platform that fits your niche and start earning passive income today. Which program are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on making money as a YouTuber.